Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Bible Over Business. You know how much I love to laugh, right? Well, today, we're diving into the world of finance. But don't worry, we're keeping it light. We've got 20 hilarious jokes comparing fiat currency to gold. Get ready to chuckle because some of these are real knee slappers. And hey, maybe you'll learn a thing or two about investing along the way. Stick around till the end and let us know which joke was your favorite. Why don't fiat currencies ever play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always losing anyway. Meanwhile, gold is like the pro who's always in plain sight, seen, solid, and dependable. Why did the dollar break up with the euro? It just couldn't handle the instability of their relationship. Gold, however, is the steady partner who never cheats you out of peace of mind. What do fiat currencies and bad relationships have in common? They both can't be trusted. Gold, on the other hand, is that friend who always shows up, rain or shine. Why did the fiat currency apply for emotional therapy? It had too many issues with stability and reliance. Gold doesn't need therapy. It's been secure and solid for thousands of years. Why don't fiat currencies tell secrets? Because they can't keep anything confidential, especially their worth. Gold, though, is that strong, silent type. It holds its value without the drama. How do you know a fiat currency is lying? When it promises stability, then fails to deliver. Gold doesn't make promises. It just quietly proves itself time after time. Why did the government bring fiat currency to the party? To ensure it would crash it by the end of the night. If gold showed up, everyone would be leaving with their pockets full. What's a fiat currency's favorite game? Musical chairs, because it's always looking for a seat before the music stops playing. Gold doesn't play games. It's always got a solid throne to sit on. Why did the investor bring a fiat currency to the beach? Because it's great at getting washed away. Gold's the lifeguard that's been guarding wealth for many centuries. Why do fiat currencies make terrible comedians? Because every punchline falls flat. Gold, the timeless headliner, and never fails to deliver a standing ovation. Fiat currency and my ex have a lot in common. At first, they both made me feel rich and loved, but I quickly realized it was all a lie. Gold's the loyal lifetime partner who always has your back. Fiat currency is like a New Year's resolution. It starts strong in January, but by February, it's completely worthless. Gold's more like a life goal, dependable from day one and worth sticking to for years to come. Trusting fiat currency is like trusting a weather app. One day it's sunny, the next day you're broke. Gold's the reliable forecaster, always solid and shining even on a cloudy day. Fiat money is the diet soda of wealth. It feels like the real thing, but it'll still leave you empty inside. Gold? That's the premium vintage. Rich, real, and satisfying. Why don't fiat currencies ever win the race? Because every time they start running, inflation catches up and eats their lunch. Gold has already crossed that finish line centuries ago. It's the ultimate marathoner. Fiat currency is the friend who borrows your car and returns it on empty, then acts surprised when you're upset. Gold's the friend who gives you a ride when your car breaks down. Investing in fiat currency is like playing Jenga. You know it's all coming down, but you're just trying to hold out for just one more turn. Gold's like building with stone, sturdy, solid, and built to last. Fiat currency is like your favorite sitcom. It went off the rails after season 3, but nobody wants to admit it. Gold's the classic novel, always relevant and never loses its charm. Trusting the dollar's value is like trusting a social media influencer. They seem reliable until they're pushing a new energy drink program. Gold's the wise mentor who's been giving real advice ever since the dawn of civilization. Fiat money's stability is like a reality TV marriage. You know it's only a matter of time before the collapse happens. Gold's the lifelong partner. You can count on it through every season of your life. Thanks for laughing along with me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed those jokes as much as I did. Which one tickled your funny bone the most? Let me know in the comments below, and I promise I'll read as many as I can. And hey, if you're feeling generous, why not share this video with a friend who could use a good laugh and maybe learn something along the way? And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, my friends, stay gold.